Holy shit, boys. We did it again. We did it. In yesterday's video, I said the goal for this weekend for yesterday was another 40 units. And yesterday alone, we went up over 43 units. And that's not perfectly describing it because I did put down another play that was 10 units that I didn't send out to VIP. So really, we would have been up over 50 units since Pickett added that one in there. But either way, phenomenal day. Up over 40 units yesterday. Cannot complain there. But we're going to jump into what we won, because there was a lot of them. And congrats to all of you that took advantage of the discounts to VIP and you got it for 25 or 30 bucks, because you just made a hell of a lot of money from copying the plays here. So let's hop into that. This first one, we hit a nice little 25x banger over on Dabble. If you guys are new to Dabble, go over there. They're going to give you $25 of completely free money to go play with. You don't even have to enter any payment information. Just go over there, use the code 907fantasy, and they're going to hook you up with $25 of completely free money. So we got the monster. We're getting going for the day. NFL Sunday today, and we got some plays for you. But let's hop into and go over these plays. So that nice little 25x there. We hit this little 20x over on BETR with Daniel Jones and Malik Neighbors, and then the Oklahoma State trio. Nice little 20x there. The CeeDee Lamb, Trey Harris, two-man for a nice 3x payout over on BETR as well. Billy Edwards and Trey Harris over on Sleeper. Two-man entry there. Trey Harris and Neighbors. Two-man there. This was over on Underdog. They allowed you to move one player's line to 0. I didn't even need to move this guy's line to 0 because he smacked that one. Indiana's quarterback. But we hit that one $10 into $30 on Underdog. We hit this one on Sleeper. $10 into $31. Trey Harris finished that one out for us. Hit this one as well on Sleeper, Neighbors and Betch over. Hit this 20x on BETR with Oklahoma State and TCU. Hit this 20x on BETR with the Giants and TCU. And then we hit this 20x on BETR, 4-man with Kentucky and TCU. We had a nice day over on BETR. We went up a lot of units on BETR. But then we hit this one on Underdog, $5 into $16 with Josh Hoover and Billy Edwards. Hit this one on Chalkboard. Cam Ward over 2.5 passing touchdowns. Shadur Sanders over 1.5 passing touchdowns. Both of them hit. Nice little one there. Hit this one over on BETR, $10 into $30 with Travis Hunter and Trey Harris. Hit this one on BETR with Garrett Nussmeier and Miller Moss over on their passing yards. Hit this 20x 4-man with Alabama and New York. Let's just talk about that Alabama-Georgia game. That was insane. Just back-to-back touchdowns in that fourth quarter. That was a fun game. So congrats to anybody that took the overs there, because I know there was some taking the unders, but the overs hit very easily. Get Carson back throwing for over 400 yards. That was a good game. But hit that one for 20x. Hit this one over on BETR as well with Milroe and Hoover over $10 into $30. Hit this one on, this was the free play yesterday, Carson Beck and Jack Betch for $10 into $31. So here's the record here. 43.2 units yesterday. This month alone, we're up 119 units. So make sure to take advantage of the discounts when I give them out, because you're going to be profiting. It's guaranteed. We're cashing day in and day out. So that was the fun day yesterday. But let's hop into what we're going with today. And if you want all the VIP plays, VIP today, from our big day yesterday, we're discounting it 50% for the NFL Sunday NFL Pass. So that's going to get you all of the plays for today. And then we'll probably have some that it's going to match up with tomorrow. So you'll have some for tomorrow as well for Monday Night Football. But that's going to be 50% off of the NFL Sunday Pass here with code Hoover. So make sure to go ahead and take advantage of that. You're not going to regret it. If you were on the edge of purchasing VIP yesterday and you didn't, and you saw what we did, I'm sorry for you. That's sad. But take advantage of that today. We're going over on Sleeper for one of the free plays. I'm going to give out 2 of them to you today. Sleeper has Saquon Barkley's rushing yards discounted to 61.5 yards. And then they discounted Nico Collins' receiving yards to 67.5. So those are 2 discounted props over on Sleeper. If you guys are new to Sleeper, go over there and use the code 907fantasy. They're going to hook you up with a $100 deposit match. So put in $100, you're going to get $100 to go and play with. Then you can put $10 on each of these plays. If you're just wanting to kind of start out then, put $10 in. They're going to match it up to $10, so you have $20 to go play with. Put $20 on each of these plays and watch your bankroll grow. So let's hop into what we're going there. We're going Nico Collins over. He's the discounted prop, 67.5 receiving yards. And then we're matching that up with Rashee Rice. They're playing the Chargers tonight at Chargers, 79.5 receiving yards. He's been going over 100 pretty easily. Travis Kelce's been non-existent this year. He's been nowhere to be found. So Rashee Rice is the number 1 target on that team. And with Pacheco out as well, he's going to be having a heavy workload there. So we're taking Rashee Rice over and Nico Collins over on their receiving yards for $10 into $30. Second free play is over on Chalkboard. This one as well as with a discounted player prop. They have their 6-pack discounts. So Najee Harris, they have 6 of them, so you can play $10 on each of them. But we're matching this one up with Najee Harris, who's the discounted prop. More than 45.5 rushing yards, going up against Indiana today. And then we're also matching that up with Nico Collins, more than 59.5 receiving yards, going up against Jacksonville tonight. Or I guess this morning. They're playing here in like 2 hours. So make sure to go and get those locked, both of them locked in. That's going to turn $10 into $21.20. So 2.1x payout. But good luck with all of your plays. Those are going to be the 2 free plays. Like I said, go ahead, get over here on the Winible, winnable.com/907fantasysports. Get signed up for the weekend pass or the week pass for NFL. It's going to get you 50% off with code Hoover. All those links are going to be down in the description below to BETR, Chalkboard, Sleeper, Dabble, Underdog. All those along with the VIP plays are going to be down there as well in the description below. So make sure to take advantage of all of that. But good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day and keep this profit train going. So good luck. We'll see you guys. Peace out.